Hello everyone. So today I'm going to teach you how to make PDF files from JPG image. Okay, so first of all what you have to do is that you have to click a picture. So I'll show you. I have clicked a few pictures. How you have to click the picture, so you can see I've saved in my gallery. The first picture is this one. Okay, this is the format I have prepared it so that you can also copy the same one in your answer sheet. You must get a full-scape paper. Okay, on the top write down BD Memorial Higher Secondary School, then half yearly examination 2020-21, then name, class, section, roll number, subject, date, and then parents signature. Okay, then below answers you have to write it. Okay, and then this is the second page. Here also you have to do the same thing. Okay, like name, class, roll number, and page number you must not forget to mention it. Okay, so this is the page number. Now I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF file. Okay, so a very simple method of creating PDF file is that go to Chrome browser. Okay, then write it over here jpg to PDF. So this is the one. So the any jpg to PDF converter, you'll get it. Then leave everything and just choose the second one, convert jpg to PDF. Second one, you choose it, just click on it. Okay, and then select jpg image, click on the red button here. Okay, then go to browser. Okay, directly so many files are there, so I'll choose this 1 and 2, then I'll select it. It is already done. So 2 files I have already selected. So now what I'll do is that I'll convert it. So conversion is going on, so it is already done. Okay, so now converted. Now I'll download the PDF file. Let us see how the PDF looks like. Yeah, see here, it is very simple, straight. The papers are in a proper position. Okay, first page, second page, both the pages are properly converted into PDF file. Okay, so this is the process of converting the JPG file to PDF. Okay, now I'll teach you how to upload the files in the Microsoft Teams folder. Subject folders will be there, and how to upload your answer sheets to that file. Okay, let us go through that. Now let us see where the converted file is stored. So I'll go to file manager. Okay, you can see a download. So it is written in the name IMG 2020-18. So what I'll do, I'll rename these files. It will be easy for us. So I'll click on this, I'll go to more, then I will rename this file. Suppose this is the history file, so I'll write it here, history. Okay, now see the name of the file is also set. Okay, so now I'll upload. How to upload these in Microsoft Teams. So now let's upload the file. Okay, so for that I have to go to Teams. I'll tab on Teams, then I'll tab on General, then I'll go to Files. You can see here your teacher has already made the subject folders, so I'll search the history folder. Okay, you can choose your subject properly, and in the particular folder the subject test paper has to be submitted. So today I have made a demo for history, so I'll tab on history, then I'll click on plus sign, then I'll click on upload just below create folder. No need to create anything and all. Okay, just click on upload, then go on the 3 lines on the left hand side. Okay, then you can see that was a downloaded file, right? So I'll get it in the downloads. So you can see your history PDF is already given over here. So I'll tab on this. So you can see here preparing to upload. So it is uploaded. This much only we have to do. Okay, nothing else you have to do. So your file is already uploaded. So if you want to see whether the file is uploaded properly or not, you can go to the same folder. You can see your history PDF file is mentioned over there. Okay, if you want, you can write your name also while renaming the PDF file. You can write down your name, and after your name you can mention the subject history. Okay, so this is how we have to create PDF file and then upload to the folders within the Microsoft Teams. Okay, hope you all have understood it. Thank you very much for watching.